Old guy here. I want to give a shout out to Milwaukee tools today. I have a couple of them, basically the M12 series. I have a 3/8 ratchet drive. I have a stapler, and I have a cutoff. No, I don't have a cutoff. What is that thing called? Can't remember what it's called. Anyway, I want to give a shout out to Milwaukee. When you use batteries on your tools, there's a guaranteed life on the batteries. And in Milwaukee's case, and the particular batteries I use, the life experience is 2 years. Last month, I was noticing that one of my M12 batteries was not charging. I was getting a blinking red. So I looked at the date on the battery, and this is April 23, year 23. This was last month in March, and the battery expired in May. So I called up Milwaukee. They walked me through the whole process on how to sign up for it on their page, and I sent it back. Took a couple of weeks, but Milwaukee sent me a battery, and I got it the other day. And I want to shout out to Milwaukee because they stood by their product, they stood by the battery life, and they sent me a new one. So we're going to go, and I'm going to show you the battery they sent me. So this is the type of battery I sent into Milwaukee. I like this battery because it keeps the tool slim. And in some cases, you need this area without the large size of the other battery. And I have a couple of these. I didn't have one of these before. So sometimes you need it when you're using a tool because it fits into an area. When you put the larger size on here, it doesn't always fit. So anyway, the one I sent in was a 3.0, and Milwaukee sent me back a 6.0. I thought that was pretty nice of them. So, I mean, they stood by their battery, and I got a new one. Now, this battery here doesn't go by the warranty of the battery I originally had. The warranty for this battery is from the time they sent it, which was, a few days ago. So I got a new battery, and I have another, this one actually has a 3-year warranty. Didn't recognize that. The smaller battery only has a 2-year. So I got I got a bigger battery, I got more life, so this thing's 3 years from now will still be good. Anyway, shout out to Milwaukee. I want to thank you. Nicely done, easily done. Once, someone helped me with how to fill it out online. The lady was really nice, guided me through it and the whole bit, printed up the labels. And one thing when you do the labels to send it back, you need to print out that red and black label that specifies lithium batteries. Anyway, thank you, Milwaukee. These are my thoughts. This is what I did. You don't have to.